And you know, creating content for TikTok is like art. We start by researching our audience. It's like traveling into their world to understand their wants and needs, what movies they like, and what stories they care about. Once we're already in their world, we begin to bring content ideas to life like an artist on canvas. We use the colors of copywriting to bring our ideas to life, emotional appeals, questions, savory riddles that make viewers think and want to know more. But the fun part starts when we start writing advertising scripts. This is where we become storytellers, telling magical stories about our products or services. We engage our viewers in an adventure, creating drama and suspense so they can't tear themselves away from our videos. And when we strive to create viral content, we become masters of storytelling. We tell unforgettable stories that bubble up inside our viewers, making them laugh, cry, or gasp in amazement. We use clever moves and unexpected plot twists to make our content spread online like an epidemic. And that's why we'll start at the beginning, namely, with 1. Researching your audience in TikTok. So imagine, audience research is like the key to successful content on TikTok and account development. It's that process that helps you understand who your target audience is in general, what they want, what they like, and how they behave. And that's just incredibly important. Prompt: what type of content is popular in TikTok around topic? You know, by studying your audience, you can learn to speak the same language as them. When you know what they like, what content they're interested in, and what words they want to hear, you can tune into them. Imagine how effective communication will be when you speak their language. Prompt: what type of content is popular in TikTok among the audience? Researching your target audience gives you a competitive advantage. When you know your audience better than anyone else, you can create unique and cool things that will get their attention. After all, you want to be the best among the competition, don't you? So, target audience research is the real trump card up your sleeve. If you know your customers better than their own cats know their hunting skills, you can build strong relationships with them, deliver what they need, and succeed in the marketplace. It's like lighting a light in a dark forest that will attract moths with its warmth and light. 2. Creating content ideas for TikTok. Creating content ideas for TikTok is like a culinary adventure, where each ingredient is a unique element that adds spice and flavor to your videos. In a world of short and rousing videos, you can be a true creative chef. I'm trying to create a TikTok video on a theme. Can you help me come up with an appealing title, script, and list of hashtags that will make the video go viral? Prompt: armed with your imagination and a set of creative tools, you can create enchanting dances, funny skits, engaging challenges, or even educational videos. Imagine your ideas blooming on screen and giving people a dose of fun and inspiration. Prompt: I want to create a TikTok video that highlights the benefits of the product/service. Can you help me develop a creative concept, script, and list of hashtags that will encourage people to try? Don't be afraid to experiment with formats, effects, and soundtracks. As a true artist, you can create magic out of ordinary moments and turn them into compelling stories. And remember that sometimes the simplest ideas can go viral and garner millions of likes and followers. Prompt: I want to create a themed TikTok challenge that goes viral. Can you help me come up with an attractive title, rules, and hashtag list for the challenge? It's also important to stay on top of trends and popular topics. Keep track of hashtags, research popular accounts, and research what your audience likes. But don't forget your uniqueness and originality. Give each idea your own unique twist so that you stand out among the plethora of content. Prompt: I want to create a TikTok video that shares business/industry success stories and testimonials. Can you help me create a concept for a video that showcases the benefits and impact of the product/service? Most importantly, enjoy the content creation process. TikTok is a platform for self-expression and fun, where you can share your talents, passions, and unique vision of the world. Unleash your creativity, breathe life into your ideas, and win the hearts of viewers around the world, one funny, touching, or captivating video at a time. 3. Writing TikTok commercial scripts. Writing promotional scripts for TikTok is like creating little hits that grab attention and leave a mark in the hearts of viewers. In a world of brevity and dynamics, you can be a master of words and a virtuoso of emotion. Prompt: please write a TikTok ad promoting product to audience. Every word in an ad script plays a role, like a note in a musical composition. Your job is to create compelling and persuasive text that makes people stop and draw them into the story of your product or service. When writing promotional scripts for TikTok, it's important to use brevity and vivid expressions. Grab attention from the beginning by applying unusual turns of phrase and original comparisons like fireworks sparks in a dark night. Prompt: I'm trying to promote my product in TikTok. Can you help me write a script for a creative and engaging video that showcases its features and benefits? Try to create an emotional connection with your audience, highlight the benefits and uniqueness of your product or service. Perhaps it will be a sparkling humor, an unexpected comparison, or an intricate play on words, anything that will help make your advertisement vibrant and memorable. Prompt: create a script for your TikTok ad using the PAS formula. It should promote, offer for niche. Don't forget to use hashtags and popular trends to grab attention and increase the reach of your video. Most importantly, don't be afraid to be creative and experiment. TikTok is a platform where you can stand out among a lot of content, so put your brightest ideas into ad scripts and take over the world with one explosive and engaging video. Prompt: create a script for a TikTok ad using the AIDA formula. It should promote, offer for niche. 4. Writing viral scripts for TikTok. Writing viral scripts for TikTok is like creating magic that captures hearts and spreads all over the internet at the speed of light. In this world of short and compelling videos, you can become a true creative guru and make millions of people smile, laugh, and marvel. Prompt: I want to create a viral TikTok video on theme. Can you help me develop a script that will capture the attention of my target audience and get them to share it with their friends? A key factor in creating viral scripts is originality and surprise. Immerse yourself in the world of creativity and present the most unusual ideas that will make people freeze and share your video with their friends. Use popular trends and hashtags to grab the attention of a wide audience. But don't limit yourself to them. Add your uniqueness and unique style to stand out among the plethora of content. Prompt: I want to create a TikTok video that teaches my audience something new about the topic. Can you help me write a script that is informative and entertaining at the same time? Grab the audience from the beginning by creating an emotional impact. You can use humor, dramatic twists, or touching moments to elicit a strong reaction from the audience. Don't forget about brevity and momentum. TikTok is a platform where time runs fast, so make your scripts short, vivid, and memorable. Prompt: I'm trying to promote my product/service on TikTok. Can you help me write a script for a creative and engaging video that showcases its features and benefits? Most importantly, enjoy the process of creating viral scripts. Let your creativity and imagination spill over every frame and make millions of people around the world smile, laugh, and repeat your ideas. Let your videos become viral hits and let you experience the full potential and power of TikTok. Prompt: I want to create a viral TikTok video that uses humor to promote a brand/product/service. Can you help me write a script that is funny and understandable?